Hello, I thought I just wanted to show you a quick and time-saving way to make a sketch, and I do this by making little circles on the paper to mimic the volume of the body before I start to fill in the outlines and some of the details. And this way is really good in terms of making the proportions, getting the proportions right, to try to capture some of the movement in the picture instead of just trying to get starting to get lost in the details before you even get on with your picture. Who haven't tried that? So as you can see, I find the length of the figure, I find the volume, and I try to just put in some details before I put on some clothes, and like that's the skirt. And this is the sketch I'm going to use and transfer onto my canvas before the finished piece. So there you go, quick and easy way to make a sketch.